Hey, madam, let this na. Bedding. Ini biasa biasa.
কিন্তু অনেক কিন্তু
This evening we were performing a normal patrolling duty in the areas of Hotsara under Student. At the time we saw one bag that is like the trolley, and the other one is bedding, bodol bag beside the road. And with the help of the local people of Hotsara, we opened it and we found suspected ganja inside that trolley and bedding. And after opening, we have seen 3 packets. The weight of one packet is 22 kilos, and the other one packet is of 20 kilos, and the other one is of 3 kilos. Total 45 kilos of suspected ganja. The approximate market value may be about lakhs.
anyone arrest
There is no one, anyone, but an inquiry has been started under 106 BNSS.